Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to make Afrobeat. Super simple. If you're a beginner, we just gonna follow copy and paste principle here. Alright, without wasting much of your time, let's start this right after the intro. Yo, the name is Godside once again, and still the solution carrier, providing solutions to your problems. Hit that subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment, I subscribed. First thing first, we're gonna change our tempo to 110 bpm. Then we're gonna use this chord progression. All right, if you don't know how to develop chord progressions, then watch the video that will pop up on the screen, or go to my channel and watch most of my videos that I show you how to develop chord progression as a beginner. So let's listen to this chord progression. We're gonna on the metronome. And I want you to put in your mind, we are using stock plugins. All right, so this tone is from Morphin KBO Crystal Key Nog. All right, so we are using stock plugins. So what you're gonna do next is to make this chord progression sound more realistic. All right, so we wanna sound like it's actually human being playing this chord progression. All we need to do is to hit Alt plus S on the keyboard, and this is gonna bring the strumizer. If you are new to the strumizer, I want you to listen as I play with this start time over here. All right, so listen as I exaggerate things here. So now you heard the difference. All right, so this actually makes it feel like it's somebody sitting at the back of the piano or the keyboard playing it. So we're gonna strumize it a little bit like this. All right, next is to hit accept. Next thing we're gonna do is to fill the other bars, so we're gonna highlight and hit Ctrl plus B to get 8 bars. All right, as you can see, 1 2 3 4, so this is 4 bars, then 5 6 7 8 bars here. All right, so now we have our chord progression. Let's add simple melody. All right, so we're gonna use the same Morphin. This time let's go to the KBD Crystal Key Nag. All right, go to the piano option, piano roll. All right, we're gonna highlight this, then make duplicate, bring it on this, and make sure everything is on the right note. All right, so bring this one down like this. All right, we're gonna follow that, make it simple, guys. Copy this, bring it here, make sure everything is on the right key. All right, copy, do the same thing here. Something simple like this. All right, nice. Now we are getting the vibes, and we're gonna transpose this up. Then we're gonna highlight everything, select and hit Ctrl plus B. All right, then this place we're gonna make it unique over here. Alright, we're gonna make this part unique. Bring this one here, just change the positions and you're gonna get nice vibe. Alright, that's crazy, guys. Next thing we're gonna do is to add some counter melodies. Alright, then, and we're gonna use this marimba synth from Citrus. Listen to this. Alright, so we're just gonna do copy and paste. Just go to the chord progression, copy, then we're gonna paste it here. Alright, go to the piano roll option, then we're gonna make it short, hit Ctrl plus A, then we're gonna push everything all the way back. Alright, then guys, Ctrl plus A. Now let's listen to this. I'm gonna off the metronome. Nice. So next thing we're gonna do is to add it to the playlist. Then let's add some shakers. If you don't know how to make your beat more interesting, watch the video that will pop up on the screen. Alright, so we're gonna add some shaker loops. So we're gonna use this one, drag it here, then we're gonna lower the volume a little bit, make sure we fill the rest of the bars, Ctrl plus B, super simple like this. Change it to song. Next thing we're gonna do is to bring in the drums. Alright, so let's add some drums. These are our rim shots. Alright, then we're gonna go to the piano roll options, highlight everything, fill the rest of the bars, Ctrl B. Super simple. This is completely for beginners. Alright, alright, let's add more percussions. Alright, drag that. Alright, I like this. Make duplicate. We're gonna follow that for the rest of the bar, simple like this, guys. Then we're gonna send it to a high octave by hitting Ctrl plus the arrow up button. Let's try something. Bring them high octave again. Alright, then we're gonna fill the rest of the bars like this. Super simple. Then go here, bring this one to high octave. Alright, so right from here we can introduce our kick. Want something soft. Alright, then we're gonna right click, fill 4 steps. To make our melodies more interesting, we're gonna send everything to the mixer track. All right, channel routing, route this to mixer track. Then we're gonna focus on the melody. So this is the melody. Let's solo it. All right, and what I'm gonna do is to introduce halftime. All right, halftime on the melody. Then we're gonna play with these parameters here. Then we're gonna play with these faces here, fade in, fade out. Play with this. That's super simple. Alright, so you can actually use halftime or gross beat to make your melody sound more dope. Alright, so let's add that to the rest. And to do a simple mixing, all you need to do is to select the master track, then introduce soft clipper. All right, so just introduce soft clipper like this. Just push this threshold a little bit to get this shape. All right, then just do random leveling here. All right, so this is the chord progression. Just do anything random. All right, with the exception of the kick, just do anything random. And guys, all right, so with this soft clipper on your master track, you can do lazy mixing. All right, and everything gonna sound dope. Just do random panning, leveling, gain stage, and you will sound great. All right, with the exception of the kick or bass, never touch those two. Alright guys, so right after this, all you need to do is to give it a little bit swing. This is one thing you always have to give to your Afrobeat. Next, you can add one or two melodies to it, bring in your bass, alright, and you will be cool to go. So just follow this if you are completely beginner. For you to create advanced Afrobeat, then watch the next video that will pop up on the screen. This is completely beginner, so I use the copy and paste and follow the ghost notes method. Yeah,